All right, so we're out here looking at houses once again, and I'm a little under the weather, so apologies for my voice. Anyway, this is the house right here, and we've already unlocked the door, so we're gonna head in right now. All right, so as you walk right into the living room, there's a real big echo, and this is the living room. Centerpiece is the fireplace. And yeah, that's that. It's not a. How big is this space, do you think? You can look at it from like right here. It's not a whole lot going on, but let's just keep moving right into the kitchen area. Let's turn these lights on. All right, so this is one of those eat-in kitchens because it doesn't look like there's a separate dining room. But here's the kitchen. Decent counter space, I do like. And I always like these. I like these so much. Not only is it gas, but I don't know. I just like that look. Black refrigerator. Is it Frigidaire? Are we keeping with what's normal? I don't know. Who makes this fridge? Not that it's important. Whirlpool. Ooh. And there's a pantry. Cereal box test has been confirmed. Yeah, see, I can't even think. I'm all sickly. But yeah, cabinetry is not bad. So it's all white. Not bad cabinetry. Yeah, plenty of places to put stuff. I mean, this is just fine. And I was just telling them that I like that that oven and stove combo. I thought it was very nice. And the dishwasher. So Whirlpool family going on here. And just regular sinks. So it's not bad. However, I am disappointed that, there's no place to sit and eat. You would have to put like a little table right there. And that's not a lot of room. I mean, our kitchen is bigger than this, what we have now. So it's a little disappointing there. Here's the baby. I got to show the baby. There she is. Sleeping. Okay. Here's a door here leading to, it's like a basement. Oh, all right. Well, it looks like we might have a basement. Let's go. Oh, this isn't the basement. This is the garage. So this is the garage. It's a pretty big garage. Look how far it goes back. It goes, man, that is creepy. It goes way back there. So it's a pretty big garage. And, you also get there's some shelving back here. There's more space back there? Oh, no. Well, yeah, you come all the way back down here. And again, it looks like there was, I don't know, maybe like a plan to put something. You can't even see. Yeah. No outlets or anything like that. I mean, it could have been pretty nice, but I mean, I wouldn't want to hang out in the garage anyway. This is from the garage. And this leads to the backyard area. No, this is the front. Oh, okay. So there's the front of your house and you can choose to come in through the garage this way. Okay. All right, we're back upstairs now, and this is going to be one of the bathrooms. I don't like the glass door.
I don't either.
I never liked the glass door. But yeah, toilet, and they redid the countertops. Wow. That's weird. What? Why? Okay. And down the hall, making a right. First bedroom. It's kind of small, but I think everywhere is wood floors. Wood floors everywhere. So it's a pretty small room. Here's a closet. Yeah, so. Door's got some weight to it. I'm guessing this is probably where washer and dryer goes. Yes, indeed. Washer and dryer hookups. And that thing where you put your Tide Pods when you're not eating them. And this looks like the master. Yeah, this is the master. You see they got the ceiling recessed up there. If this is the master, yeah, it's got a little tiny walk-in closet. It's a little one. Just a little one. And then the bathroom. No tub in here. That is weird. You know, you got the countertop, but then there's no tub. There's a stand-up shower in the master. Stand-up shower. I mean, we don't take baths anyway, but it's just odd. I've never seen that. We're about to walk outside now. My wife just pointed out something interesting. Despite how this house looks, it's actually just one floor if you don't count the garage. So it's kind of deceptive. And this is the outside area. Wow. Got a pretty big deck going on here. Let me just get to one side. Yeah. So that's a pretty big deck. I like the fact that, you know, you got some trees, but they're those weak little skinny Georgia trees and they don't encroach. So you're not going to have a whole bunch of leaves and stuff. And just judging by the way that this is, I mean, this is not going to be anything to mow because there is nothing to mow on the ground. So it's nice to sit out and watch. And, you know, you do have a lot of little land down there. Yeah, let's go down. Here's some stairs. I like the fact that it's fenced in. Fenced in is always good. Motion light right there. And yeah, there you go. You couldn't do a whole lot out here, but you got the space. You do have the space. But there's pretty much little to no mowing, like at all. Baby couldn't play out here, no. That is this house. Final thoughts about it. I don't like it. It's not a bad house in and of itself. It's just not, it's not a good house for us, I don't think. I don't think at all. I mean, I hate the fact that there's really hardly nowhere to sit if you want to eat. I mean, this seems like a house for maybe just a couple people who probably don't entertain. And even though we don't entertain, it's too small. Basically, that's what it comes down to. It's too small. Okay, so we got one more house to look at. Let's go there now. It's still raining out here. This is house number 2. And already, I'm not really in love with this neighborhood. It's a little bit too cramped. A little bit too woody. But either way, let's go. All right, so we're starting things off in the dark because this is the living room and there's no light. There's no light for the living room in the ceiling. Wood floors. Let's turn on something. All right, that light's for upstairs. All right, so here we go. So this is the kitchen. Here's a light. Refrigerator. It's got the same type of stove as that last house, you know, which I do like. And I do like these too. I thought these are pretty nice. Very similar to what we got right now inside of our house as far as just how these countertops and stuff are. You know, cabinet space. Cereal box test fails, of course, because there's no pantry. Frigidaire. Back again. So this is another one of those eat-in kitchens, and it's very small. You can just see. I mean, that's where you would put the table to eat. That's, yeah. And then let's open this up. I could have cleaned that. I mean, come on. What's going on? What's going on? It's like they didn't. Okay. Here's outside. Do you share a backyard with the neighbors? Oh my God.
That's not good. You gotta lift the bar up.
Lift the bar up. What bar?
This yellow, this blue one's right there.
You know what? Never mind. I don't care.
Yeah, you gotta take that up first.
Yeah, so the greatest security of all time, you gotta remove the bar that someone just slapped down in there. Otherwise, you can't open up the sliding door because
you don't want anybody to come in.
apparently there's no way to secure it. other than using a random blue bar. Fence is broken right there. And then you share the yard with all the other neighbors down there. Can you see that? Like there's no separation. It's just one big yard. So there's no privacy. You can't do anything there. All right, so here's some stairs going down. Okay, this is probably, wait, what is this? This is to the garage. Okay. Garage. Uh-oh, washer and dryer in the garage. That's what we were trying to avoid. Yeah. At least they got a little light right there. Here's the stairs. We're going to go up, 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 up. First door on the left is going to be the first bathroom. I believe there's two. Someone has taken a turd. Someone took a dump in the bathroom, in the toilet. Gross. Here's the first bedroom. It's got a ceiling fan up there. It's about the same size as the first house that we saw. And the closet is about the same as well. Oh, here's something that's a bit unusual. Built-in shelving, little mini shelving right there. Something that's unusual but not unwelcome. Inside this closet, it's a hallway closet. Yep, linen closet. This is the master, I think. So this is going to be the master. It's the little walk-in closet. Again, actually, I think this one might be a little bit smaller than that first house, actually. Let's move over here to this. Let's see if anyone took a dump in this toilet. Yep, something went on. Something went on in there. People keep trying to dump in these toilets. Girls. I gotta be honest with you guys. This house makes me feel uncomfortable. You know, I really don't feel too uncomfortable in houses, but this makes me feel uncomfortable. All right, that's pretty much this house. Best thing that it has going for it is that stove and these countertops. And the floors are nice too. Looks like they redid the floors, but everything else about it, I just don't like. When you're going to show a house and you don't even bother to, clean the muck out of the refrigerator, and when your security to your back sliding door is a blue, looks like someone broke off a broom handle and just stuck it in there, that'll stop them. That's not cool, man. It's not cool. So, yeah, definitely going to continue the search. So hopefully, maybe next week we can find better digs. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye, baby.